Hello friends. Today, I'll quickly show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. Tired of bright screens at night? Here's how you can easily enable dark mode in both Windows 10 and Windows 11 to reduce eye strain and give your system a sleek look. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. In the left menu, click on Colors. Scroll down to choose your color. Select Dark from the drop-down menu. This will apply dark mode to Windows System UI and supported apps. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. Click on Colors in the Settings window. Under Choose Your Mode, select Dark to apply dark mode everywhere. Set Windows Mode to Dark, System UI. Set App Mode to Light or Dark, Apps Only. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.